ground now, dude.
Yeah.
You're gonna get tased.
No.
3, 2,
No, that's not.
on your stomach now.
He has my backpack and my purse. Am I able to get that?
If you cock back on me and you look like you're about to punch me in the face, I'm gonna defend myself.
On August 27, 2022, a couple arrived at a local club for a night out. However, the 19-year-old girlfriend was denied entry because the club had started serving alcohol. The staff offered her a chance to apply for a performer role instead. After submitting her application, she was allowed inside and earned some tips during her shift. But when her boyfriend decided it was time to leave, things took an unexpected turn. As they were leaving, the boyfriend reportedly took her tips and insisted on escorting her out. This caught the attention of the club staff, prompting them to call 911. When police arrived, they found the couple nearby. Initially calm, the boyfriend soon became upset and did not cooperate with the officers.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, ma'am, you want to come over here and talk to me?
Everything I fucking made
Ma'am.
tonight is ripped up.
Okay, come here. Come here. What's going on?
Everything I made at the strip club is ripped up and gone.
Okay, what's going on?
Can you please be nice?
Okay. I'll talk to him. Just look at me.
He was upset because I was stripping. And everything I made, he ripped up.
Okay. Who's he to you?
That's my boyfriend. Am I going to get arrested for stripping?
No, there's nothing illegal as long as you're doing it in an establishment that's licensed, which they are. Exactly. What's your name?
No.
No. Look at me. Ma'am, look at me. Don't look at him.
Oh, he's going to get arrested. No. Can you just tell him to calm
Ma'am.
down?
Dude, I'm okay.
Step the
Please do not push
Step
me.
the out of that.
Do not swear at me. You're an officer of the law. Please do not swear at me.
Care. All right, tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Did you strike her?
I did not strike her.
Okay. You have an ID?
I do. Would you like to see my ID?
Yeah. Is that hers?
That's hers. I was carrying it for her tonight.
All right.
Here's my ID. You can look at it. Don't You did not have permission to go in my pocket. You did not ask to go in my pocket. You did not ask to go in my pocket.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now, dude. You're gonna tased.
No.
3, 2,
No, that's not.
on your stomach now.
He wasn't supposed to.
On your stomach now.
No, he's going to turn.
Relax.
No, he punched him in the face,
Stop.
and you know
Yeah,
that
I
was
sure
right.
did, because he cocked back on me.
Stop.
No, what does he have? A fucking gun?
Stop.
Am I gonna be able to?
Stop. Just relax. Just
You
relax.
know that was illegal. You fucking assaulted
Stop.
my boyfriend.
Stop.
He didn't.
No, it's not illegal.
That's police brutality,
It's
sir.
not police brutality.
That is police brutality.
Okay, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You straight up punched me in the face.
Yep, because you swung back like...
He didn't fucking swing at you. He put
Stop.
his hands up. I'm
Stop.
sorry. I don't want to get arrested.
Stop.
Here, we have one in custody.
Stay right there. You good?
I am okay.
He has my backpack and my purse. Am I able to get that?
Yeah, just hang on.
Yep, that's hers. Can you please give that to me? I don't feel like you had the need to punch me in the face, though.
If you cock back on me and you look like you're about to punch me in the face,
Yes.
I'm going to defend myself.
Oh.
You're not going to get an upper
Okay,
hand on
but you're an officer of the law. You have.
I have every right to defend myself. Just because I wear a badge and I'm a police
Right,
officer
but
does
just
not
because-
mean that you get to have the first swing.
They fucking gun, Jason.
Stop.
Sorry.
Wayne, do you understand that?
Jason.
Do you understand that?
Right, but just because I'm
So
a,
I will punch you in the face if I think you're about to attack me.
will you let me speak?
No, I won't.
But just because I'm a brown person,
It has nothing to do with who you are.
It does have something.
It doesn't. It doesn't. Are you brown? You're done, bro. You're done.
Watch it.
He's trying to headbutt me in the head.
Don't cut the bag. Just take it off.
Shut up.
Just take it off. It's not my bag. It's not my bag.
Yasmina, stop.
Bag is hers.
Stop. You got a search on this side?
No.
I have 2 grams of cocaine in my butthole.
Okay, outstanding.
And I have 3 grams of marijuana in my stomach.
Okay.
Oh, there's not.
Good. You fucking piece of
He just tried biting you. I got another squad over here. This guy's trying to bite us and spit on us, and we just need another one here. Stop, dude.
Don't punch me.
Stop.
It's illegal.
It's not. It's a pressure point. Stop.
Punching me in my throat is a pressure point?
It's not. It's underneath your chin. Stop.
He just punched me in the throat.
Stop, dude. You're gonna get tased.
Tase me then. I have a seizure disorder. You're gonna tase me?
Get back. Just go stand over there.
Grabbing my money.
Just go. It's all ruined. Just go stand over there.
No.
Swear to God,
Get back. You gotta sit here.
Get back.
Yeah, hey, get her back now.
No, this is legal.
No, you can step back. I'm not comfortable with you that close.
Why?
Get them, babe. Get them.
I'm not the one doing anything wrong.
Babe, help me.
I can't.
Please, baby, help me.
I can do. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you did up today.
You're on your own.
You really did.
I'm sorry.
Now you're going to jail for multiple felonies. So that sucks.
Felonies?
Yep.
Felony. You assaulted him.
Assault on a police
You
officer.
started it. You punched him in the fucking face.
I did.
And
Because
you
he
just
swung
caused
back.
his seizures.
Because he swung back on me.
I was
feel like you
protecting
swung back.
myself. Because you punched me, I was protecting myself.
Okay.
Right? I have the right to protect myself, don't
Yeah,
I?
that is in the rule book of the laws.
Got him?
So
Because you
punched
punched
him
me,
first.
I have the right to protect myself.
Nope.
Yeah.
All right.
I was protecting myself from you.
You
Ow.
left your cop car locked, dumbass.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your fucking mouth. Don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to my fucking woman like
Stand by,
that.
stand by. There's a knife back there.
Ow!
Hey, Watson, you want to pull through on the other side?
We get an ID on her?
I have information, I just haven't been able to run her yet.
Ow!
There you go. Pull, pull, pull.
What do I do about my money getting cut up?
Don't worry about it. I don't know. See ya.
I've seen about the strip club before. Just talk about don't worry about it. When you go and bail too.
I've never been to the strip clubs here. Yeah.
Really? I've seen them.
Ow! Ow!
Stop.
It hurts!
Relax.
It hurts!
We're trying to fix it. Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts!
Hey, Dolbeck, relax. Dolbeck, stop. Relax.
We're done with her. You need to leave, otherwise you're going to get arrested.
No, because this is legal. I'm allowed to stay close.
You
and
are
watch what's going on.
interjecting into our scene right
What am I
now.
doing? For
You're getting too close. I told you that multiple times. So just stop. It's very easy.
You're built easy. Did you know that?
I don't know what that means.
That means anybody can fuck you.
Cool.
It hurts!
Stop. You're gonna get another charge.
It hurts!
Roll him on his side.
No! Ow!
On his side.
It fucking hurts!
Stop.
Ah! God damn it!
Sit him up. Sit him up.
Ah!
Battery, disorderly conduct.
Somebody grab the hobble.
His charge? Yeah.
You don't need to hobble me. Just shut the fucking door. Hey! That's another cause.
Get him down. Shut that door now. Shut the door.
First, you started it.
No, he just headbutted one of my officers, ma'am.
He's the one who punched me.
He's better two officers.
He started it.
Okay. You need to leave now. If you don't have a criminal complaint, you need to
I have a
leave.
criminal complaint.
Against
You
what?
assaulted my boyfriend.
Okay, have a good night.
Blood on you.
Yep.
Blood on you.
It's fine.
With a big rag.
Can you let the jail know that he's very uncooperative? They're going to need quite a few people.
You pieces of shit. I told you to shut the fucking doors. Roll my window down.
Just getting started on the party for the class of 1980.
This has a lacerations for it from slamming against the window here.
While the suspect is on the way to jail, some officers stay behind to question his girlfriend.
So what happened?
So we tried getting into the strip club, and I'm not 21. And she was like, well, the only way you can get in if you're a dancer. And I'm like, I'll dance tonight. And my boyfriend's like, if you dance tonight, I'm breaking up with you. I was like, okay. I started dancing. Maybe 20, 25 minutes later, he runs up on stage. He's just snatching my money up. He's cussing me out, talking about I need to get off the stage. And the owner was like, that's not your money. You need to give it back. That's when I was like, okay, I gotta go. I need to calm him down because he gets angry as we're walking away. I was like, can I just see my money so I can at least see how much I made tonight? He was like, no, this is whore money. I was like, what? Whore money? I wasn't naked. And then he starts ripping up my money. And that's what happened.
Is there any charges you want to press against him?
No.
Okay.
I'm literally homeless. So,
Okay.
I mean, like, I get it. Homeless people, they have weapons. Trust me, I know. I work with homeless people. So they be a little crazy.
Okay.
But that's my only backpack I have. And I'm fucked now.
Are you afraid of him? No, you don't think he's going to hurt you or your children?
Huh?
Or your children if you have children?
Oh, God, no. I ain't got no
Okay.
children.
Do you have any questions for us at the moment?
Yeah. Who's paying for my backpack?
Well, if you want to make a complaint about the backpack being damaged,
No,
you
but I
can
want
contact
to
your
make a complaint
supervisor.
about the officer who punched me in the face. I'll do that.
Okay, that's all up to you if you want to contact your supervisor. You have the right to do that.
And it assures a summer full of delicious meals coming off that grill.
What is your name, man? Okay, I'm trying to help you out. I'm not asking you a question. I'm looking to see if you're going to be cooperative with jail staff. What'd you say?
I refuse to answer any questions. I refuse to be cooperative with jail staff.
All right, man. He's telling us that he's going to fight with you guys.
Okay.
And he's already headbutted us, he's punched us, he's kicked us, he's bit us, so he goes like this. So then I just backed up and I right across the jaw, and then there was a fight on.
Who is it?
We don't know his name.
We don't know.
Austin, just keep your gun on you for now in case something.
How's it going? We're gonna get you out of the squad car here.
Officers place a spit hood over the suspect's head as he had bit and spit at officers during the arrest. They may also be doing this to prevent the suspect's blood from getting everywhere.
Can you walk? I'm gonna get out of your house.
Can we check what's going on?
Yeah, let's.
He's got a good pulse. Pulse is about 75.
He was just talking right before I got out of the car. Give medical response.
right about the right eyebrow is
report, please.
Could you grab shackles?
Are you injured or?
I think it's from when I was getting shot by the BBs, actually.
Oh, okay.
But it ripped when I was
illegal
fighting with
okay.
him.
What's your name? You don't know it?
Why was I arrested?
I don't know, to be honest with you.
We're going to get you seen by medical, okay?
I don't want to go home. Where am I?
You're at the jail. You take any drugs or anything?
You know if you did today? Okay. I'm gonna guess that's why you got so much blood. Was from the alcohol. It thins out your blood and you bleed a little bit more.
Oh, he looks familiar.
Yeah.
He's not the one I'm thinking of.
Hey, Sergeant Jago with the police department. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Just a heads up with this gentleman, he's cooperative now. I don't know if that's false or if he's now going to remain cooperative. I did call ahead to give Superior ER a heads up, and they obviously were like, we don't want him here. But yeah, I tried to give him a courtesy heads up, and they were not having it. So why don't you take a look? Maybe he doesn't need to go. I don't know.
He has seizures and was threatening to do this before.
Seizures from what?
Pseudo.
Pseudo?
Yep.
I don't do any pseudo. I don't do anything with pseudo.
It looks like a couple.
Seem to be that intoxicated, or
I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if it's all charade or it's probably the most violent I've ever seen toward officers for sure.
You gotta make sure there's nothing going on with your skull or your brain, okay? Honestly, I prefer not to transport someone with their hands behind their back just because it could cut off circulation or do damage.
Okay.
That way you won't be laying on it. We're gonna make it so you don't lay on it.
pushing on me! Stop it!
I'm wondering if we should sedate him.
If you think that's necessary, then absolutely do it.
If he's willing to cooperate, we can put him in soft restraints and have it above and to the side.
That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen to me.
We'll get you on a stretcher. We just don't want you to fight. We don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? We don't have a way to stop that. It's not really an option, my friend. He's not going to cooperate. So I'm going to call the receiving hospital and find out if they're good with us using sedation here. Because if he's going to fight, I don't want him to hurt himself or anyone else.
Okay.
lodged the other week for the same thing.
Really? I noticed.
Ow! I can't do it anymore. The handcuffs are fine. No, they aren't. They aren't. I can't do this anymore.
I got one.
Right here.
Almost got me. Yeah, I did. I saw it. I came over here.
He's gonna be able to get out of this. We have that extra strap. I think we can add. You guys just want to follow us to the ambulance?
Ow! Ow!
You're fine. Stop.
The handcuffs are cutting me.
You probably would have had better luck if you started cooperating, Jason.
More!
Here, step out, for a minute.
Can't do this anymore. I got the handcuffs. I got your these handcuffs. That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking is to loosen the handcuffs just a little bit.
Just stop.
Just a little bit.
Can we
handcuffs.
talk? Can we man-to-man talk?
Yes.
We have a 5-minute ride to St. Mary's and those cuffs come off.
Okay,
and then you go into soft restraints. You can make it 5 minutes.
I cannot. It needs some morphine and some gabapentin.
Oh, that's what he wants.
Is it going to break if I cuff this to that?
No.
I cannot do it.
Hey. We're getting you your meds.
I can't do it no more. I can't.
I'm gonna give you medicine in your shoulder. Okay?
No, I'm not giving you consent. I don't give 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 you consent. I do not give you consent to do that.
You're hurting yourself.
I do not give you consent to do that. I do not give you consent to do that.
Okay.
I do not give you consent to do that.
I know. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You're sorry because you're going to lose your job. What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Eva.
Alva what?
That's all you gotta know.
What's your last name?
You don't get to know that? You
Yeah,
can
because you don't want.
through Mayo Clinic, please do.
Because you don't want to lose your job. What's your last name?
No one knows my last
What's your last name, bitch?
name. Let's not start with that, guy.
What's your last name?
I'm not gonna go there. She does. I didn't want to say it because, you know, I didn't know, but yep. Yeah. We're not gonna do morphine.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
There we go. Thank you, sir.
Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine. Give me some morphine.
Jason, do you have any known medical issues?
Give me some morphine.
I was genuinely worried.
The bank won't even do anything about these bills?
Any currency that's damaged, you bring them into the bank, we'll replace it for you.
Yeah, can you finish cutting this? Do you have a knife?
You could, like, try and attach these back together. You know, if you had any, like,
Daddy's ghetto and dingy. I'm not doing that.
Do you want me to just cut right here?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
In the end, the boyfriend was taken into custody for not following police instructions and disorderly conduct. Fortunately, no one was seriously harmed. The police handled the situation safely. So what do you think? Was the boyfriend wrong for taking her tips? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories.